Look, my next door neighbor bounced on the motherfucking goddamn basketball at 12 a.m. on a goddamn Sunday morning, May 10th, 2000 goddamn 20. You know what I'm saying? Should be stupid shit like that. Like, who the fuck do that shit? You know what I'm saying? It should be dumb shit. I'm gonna post this video. I'm gonna get a video editor. I'm gonna post the full video on YouTube. They probably not gonna drive by the car today. Oh, there they go hitting the door. It's fucking goddamn midnight, man. They probably not gonna drive by today. Well, because I got anytime I turn the video on, they don't come by, driving by. I'm just fucking, it'd be 3, 4 in the fucking morning, man. Fuck you finna go, what the fuck you going on lockdown? You know what I'm saying? It's fucking lockdown, bitch. Fuck you going 3, 4 o'clock in the goddamn morning. So my neighbor, they some Indians. I don't know, they paying him too, just like that dude said he on salary. He a G12 or some shit like that. I need to look that up. The fuck a G12, a GS, a G2, a 212, some bullshit. Code name, whatever the fuck. Just like that video, motherfucker said he was in the grocery store and a dude confronted him, man. He said he on salary. Motherfucker on a goddamn salary. So if they got money for that, for bullshit like that, without no fucking goddamn reason, no justification except some bullshit that they the motherfucking started, why the fuck motherfuckers in the food bank line trying to get some goddamn food? You know what I'm saying? And I'm looking at the community. It's a huge fucking community. So I'm going to try to get all y'all. First, I'm going to screenshot it because eventually I know they're going to try to cancel my Twitter account. So I'm going to screenshot all the people that I'm following. So just in case they do that, I can refollow y'all. And we're going to organize this shit. So everybody who's sick of this shit, we're going to get together. We're going to make some shit happen. And they're going to be like, damn, all over some pussy? Yep, all over some pussy. Goddamn right. Leave my fucking sexual life the fuck alone. Every bitch you don't put in my motherfucking life, you know what I'm saying? Every bitch I done met, damn near, that I could think of, you don't put there. You know what I'm saying? So I really ain't had no real fucking goddamn relationship because of you motherfuckers. So fuck what you're saying to the death. You understand what the fuck I'm saying? I don't give a fuck. I don't know if you seen that light. They're my neighbor across the street. These motherfuckers don't never come out the goddamn house. They just been in right across the street. The one you looking at right now. Turning on the light. Turning off the light. Just doing stupid shit. You know what I'm saying? But that video will be on YouTube as soon as I go back inside the house. And mind you, 12:16 a.m. Sunday, May 10th, 2020. Coronavirus lockdown. These motherfuckers hate to be on camera, but I'm finna get them goddamn spy glasses so y'all can see what the fuck I see and get a better vision. You know, so I won't have to be holding my goddamn phone up all the motherfucking time. I'm gonna get them goddamn spy glasses. Y'all see exactly what the fuck I see. Like when I go in the Walmart, motherfucker doing all that crowd and shit. You know what I'm saying? Fucking coronavirus. And then wonder why I'm pissed the fuck off. You hear that sound in the background? Got this stupid ass motherfucker on a goddamn, on a motorcycle. You probably hear it. all fucking night because this bitch ain't got nothing better to goddamn do. But he getting paid, you know what I'm saying? So he gonna do it because he getting paid because he a fucking puppet. He a small motherfucker. He a piece of shit, ain't worth shit motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? Like, who would do that? Like, if a motherfucker came to me, like, they ain't gonna come to no real motherfucker and be like, hey, man, you want to gang stalk this motherfucker? Hell nah. I ain't trying to do no shit like that. They ain't gonna come to a real person like that. They gonna come to these fake ass motherfuckers. You know what I'm saying? You can't even pay me to harass a motherfucker and violate their motherfucking rights. You know what I'm saying? You can't even pay me to do no stupid ass shit like that. So they got this stupid motherfucking, I guess his stupid ass motherfucking son or whoever bouncing a goddamn ball because he done told his ass to do it. You know what I'm saying? Stupid motherfuckers. See, they done hit the door. They're a dumb motherfucker, man. I'm just smoking a cigarette, see? I'm smoking a cigarette. I can't smoke a goddamn cigarette in peace. You know what I'm saying? And these bitches got me fucked up. Think I'm finna get to a point where I can't even exercise my freedom of goddamn speech in America, bitch. You got me fucked up, bitch. And you done started this damn shit 20 goddamn years ago, motherfucker, and you don't know the goddamn details and the facts. Bitch, go to hell. Motherfucker, take your whole goddamn family with you, motherfucker. They laughing like it's funny, but I'm gonna put their ass on goddamn camera too, on YouTube, if they walk in this goddamn public. Because it ain't illegal then, on public property.